Hello friends and potential friends. Looks like it's time to take apart the potato tower. I'm a little bit worried about this because, as you can see back here, the ones that I planted in the back, which were growing the best, they basically all died off about a week and a half ago. But I had a few up here in the front that I wanted to let go, so I just left everything in the ground. But now it's time to start digging. And there's our first potato. This stuff will go in the compost pile. This one probably doesn't have much of anything under it. Get the rest of this out of here. And then we just start taking apart the potato tower. First half's pretty easy. Our first layer. And I'm just going to do all this by hand. Get rid of some of the weeds as I go. And we will get down in here hopefully and find some treasures. To be honest, I don't know what to expect, but we shall see. If it works, maybe I'll replant with some red potatoes that I got. They're starting to sprout in the kitchen. And if I don't get anything, then I will have learned how not to grow potatoes. And so far, that's what it's looking like. Maybe they're deeper. We shall see. The good thing about this technique is you don't have to use a pitchfork or a potato fork to dig them up. Yep. Scratch that one. There's another little one. Couple more little tinies. Oops, there's the original. That was nice and gooey. Oh, smells good too. Oh yeah, love rotten potatoes. There's another one. There's a little one. Take another layer off here. There's a good one. There's another good one and one not so good. I think that was another of the seed potatoes. Oh, these are yummy sweet. Yeah. Looks like it might not have been a good idea to leave them in the ground. starting to see topsoil, which means I'm getting near the bottom of the tower. Okay, yeah, looks as if that's about it. It's more than I planted, not much more, but that one's no good. Yep, should not have left them in the ground. Let's see what this one feels like. That's the biggest one. And that's it. So, I don't know whether to call that a success or a failure. I don't believe. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to call this one a failure. Does not seem to have done what I wanted it to do. So, let's see if we can get off of this, and we'll talk to you next time.